Right, this is the 2012 NCEA 2 exam. This is question 3 and it's B, part 1. Question 3b, part 1. It says Mark is solving this quadratic here by using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is there. It says given the values of A, B, and C, give the values of A, B, C, and then hand solve the problem. So first thing I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to go ahead and make it equal to 0. So I'm going to expand it out first of all. So I'm going to have, I'll rewrite it, 2x minus 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 13. Expand this all out, so 2x times that is going to be 2x squared. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. And I've got negative 3x minus 3x. And I've got 2 times 4x. It's 2x times 4, which is going to be plus 8x, all equals 13. So tidying this a little bit up here. So I've got a 2x squared. Negative 3x and 8x is going to be positive 5x. Minus 12 is 13. And I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides. There we are. So 13, of course, minus 13 is 0, which is where we want to be. And negative 12 and negative 13 is negative 25. So I'm going to have, this implies that 2x squared plus 5x minus 25 is 0. Now it's saying we have to use the quadratic formula for solving. So in this case, I'm going to look at the coefficients of the x values. So the coefficient of x to the 2 is a 2. There it is. The coefficient of x to the 1, there it is a 5. And the coefficient of x to the 0 is a negative 25. So now I can plonk all that straight into the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here it is. Okay, let's substitute that. Let's see where we end up. So x is going to equal negative b, that's going to be negative 5, plus or minus root, now b was 20, that's going to be 25, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times negative 25, all over, this whole thing is all over 2 times a, which is going to be 4. So let's tidy that up a little bit. Here we go. So this is going to be x, therefore, is equal to negative 5 plus or minus. So what do we got here? We've got 4 25s is 100, and then we've got another two lots of 100, so 225. So it's going to be 225. So we've got root 225 all over 4. So let's just make sure that all works out. So therefore x let me just check something. Okay. Well, 4 obviously isn't going to 5. Of course, the square root of 225. So x really is equal to negative 5. Now I'm going to do 2 lots now. Plus, well, root 225 is 15 on 4, which is equal to, and I'll put actually here either. So we've got negative 5 and 15. That's going to be 10. 10 on 4. So 10 on 4, which is really just 5 on 2. Yeah. So I'll put, we can just say, 5 on 2. Let's go with 5 on 2. Yeah. Or x is equal to, I have negative 5 minus 15 on 4, which is equal to, that's negative 20 on 4. So we're going to have negative 20 on 4, which is going to equal negative 5. So these are my two answers. So x is equal to 5 on 2, or x is equal to negative 5. Now you might decide to use a decimal here, but I really like the impropers. I think 5 on 2 is a great answer, and that would be how I'd go about getting the answer. Hope that makes sense.